Guys, Ethereum is still holding this area of support around 2,800 and 2,700. So you can see that we still testing this area, which was a previous resistance, now as support. So you can see that we are just having the third touch of this trend line over here. So now we are failing to break above this $3,000 mark as you're seeing, and right now we are currently seeing a daily candlestick rejection. Although we printed three consecutive bullish candlestick, slightly breaking above this level right here, but now you are seeing a daily candle of rejection. And for me, we could see is slightly further downside on Ethereum because this shakeout is not yet done. You understand? So we might see a further down, a little bit of downside, maybe going below 2,600, then a final recovery on the market. So that is what I'm actually predicting for Ethereum. If we could see maybe go down to 2,600 and see a recovery, then we could maybe reclaim this level right here. Then we'll have another continuation to the upside. So I don't think we'll be just bullish just there because I think by the end, from now till the end of this November, we might have a little bit of price consolidation going into December. That I think maybe December through January, that's when we'll see the parabolic move for the market. But for now, we might just slowly over around the market. We kind of exhaust the buyers because people are tempted to go long. That's what the market always do. When the market is at the critical level of support, the market likes to exhaust buyers before having a reversal towards the upside. So I'm currently predicting that we might go a little bit lower for Ethereum. So if we see a break below this level, we could see the next target, which would be uh, 2000, for Ethereum, and this 2200 is our last line of support for Ethereum right now. 2200 is our last line of support, so you can see that it goes in line with this support area right here. If possibly we break below this level at 2600, our next line of support will be 2800. So we don't want that for Ethereum. We just need price to slowly over around this level, maybe before having a continuation towards the upside. So let's quickly take a look at the lower time frame. As we take a look at the 1 hour time frame, let's see some kind of price action that the chart is giving us on the 1 hour time frame. So I love going down to the 1 hour for a potential trade setups. So right now on the 1 hour, you can see that we did have a slow push towards the upside. So you can see that there is an upward trend right here in play on the 1 hour. If I mark out the trend, where you will see that there is multiple touches on this trend. So you can see that this was the first touch, second touch, and this now is the third touch. And it seems as if we are kind of we will probably break below this trend. And if we break below this trend, the next target will be around 2,700. Although we did slightly head higher, as you can see that we kind of made a reclaim of this level right here. So you can see that this was a perfect reclaim, and this serves as a perfect head and shoulders pattern. This is the first shoulder, the head, and right now we're having the second shoulder. And what we want for price now on Ethereum is for us to break these highs right here at around 2,900. If we see a break above this highs, then there's no doubt that we will see a rally towards the upside, and price will just keep on going higher or breaking the highs. But if possibly now, if eventually we see a deviation back into this level, as you can see that if we possibly see a, a deviation back into this level, breaking below this trend, then I will be looking forward to go on a short position for Ethereum on the 1 hour time frame. So I'll be sharing this setup in my free Telegram community. A link to join is in the description. So if we have a deviation into this level, we're looking to go for a little bit of short position. And if as you can see that if we have this type of price action pattern, we could see that this could be uh, a change of character. As you can see that price was bullish, then maybe eventually we break below this low. This will be a change of character, and I will waiting for a pullback into an area of liquidity or an order block for me to actually take this short position. But right now price has not given us what we want. We are still slightly holding above this trend, and price is looking as if it wants to reverse to the upside. If we could reclaim this level perfectly well, then the next target would be to break this $2,900 for Ethereum. Anyways, I'm currently looking for either of the position. If we break out, I'll be waiting for a pullback because I'm a pullback trader. I'll be waiting for a pullback into my level of interest for potential long. But if we break below, I'll be waiting for a pullback into a level of interest, either liquidity or another block for me to take the short position. So although I have a trade running right now on BTC USDT, so let me quickly show you guys the trade that I'm currently on right now. Although I had one that I was stopped out yesterday. Yes, it was about yesterday. I shared the trade on my Telegram community that I'm still looking to go short if this my area of interest is currently met. I'll be looking to go short again. Although I could still uh, get stopped out because it seems as if the market is trying to squeeze out the shorters in the market before it will go parabolic. So this was the trade. This was the BTC trade I shared on my free Telegram community. So you can see that I entered a short position around this level right here. Now, I was currently looking at these two areas of interest. I was looking at this order block and this fair value gap right here, that you can see that we're looking at this fair value gap and this order block. I said that if price fail to sell at this my order block, I'll be looking to take a short position around this fair value gap because the price always goes for imbalance, and when price targets imbalance, it try to fills out the imbalance before going in the opposite direction. So that was why I called this trade on my free Telegram community that I'm still looking to go short, and my TP is just right at this lows at around $81,000. So this is a kind of a realistic take profit target that I just set on the chart because we are at the last line of support on Bitcoin. I don't want to go extreme on my take profit levels because any moment from now the market might reverse to the upside. So I don't want the market to reverse on me. So that's why I set this my TP, which is a realistic take profit level, just right at this low at 81,000, $80,000. But although I'm predicting that price might still kind of go lower down to maybe 87 or 78 or $77,000. But I just want to put my take profit level at this place. So if you want to join my free Telegram community, the link is in the description of this video. So that's what my prediction is for Ethereum. We could slightly head down, but before there could be a reversal, the market wants to exhaust the long buyers, wants to exhaust people that are going long so that it will have sway towards the upside. So that is it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I post daily crypto price analysis. Peace.